Hello everyone, this is Hossain and today we are going to show how to replace iPhone 12 bad screen. This is Ivan with me and he will show you how you can replace iPhone 12 bad screen. So let's begin. So at first I would like to introduce the tools you need to replace the bad screen. So this one is LCD opening pliers, this one is screen separator machine, and this one is screen luminance meter. Okay, let's begin. Preheating the screen separator machine, wait for 5 minutes. So after heating 100 degrees Celsius, then put it on the screen for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, then take out the Then take out all the screw from the cell phone body. Use LCD opening pliers device to separate screen. Remind, don't cover the camera by opening pliers. Slowly. Remove the display connector and remove the touch connector. Speaker. Then remove the speaker connector. Then remove the speaker connector. Okay, if speaker is good, then install it to new screen. This is the FLYCDI screen for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro universal model. Okay, now we install new one. Okay. So this is the maybe funny inspiration for every user, so you can get something like this. This is the bad screen and this one is a new screen for FLYCDI. So now we install the new one. So bad screen, if the speaker is good, you can install it through the new screen. Okay, if your speaker is good, then you can take out from bad screen. Okay, our speaker is good, so now we install to new screen. Okay, our speaker was good, so now we install it on the new screen. Okay, before install new screen, we should clean the glue around the cell phone. After clean the glue from the cell phone, then now we can install the new screen. So make sure all the connector perfect. Okay. After successfully connect the cable, then now we can power on the screen. Now we check it's working or not. Okay, it's working now. So check again the touch and the display, everything is okay. Now we can fix the body, brightness, and the color of the photos is okay, everything. Okay, after make sure everything, we need to install protective ion cover to the body. This one is protective ion cover, so we now install it. Just now we check the screen is working perfectly, so now we install the protective ion cover. So now we add glue to fix the screen on the mobile phone. Okay, now time to fix the body. Okay, now time to fix the screen to the body. So you can press up, then slowly down. Okay, please remind, press up to down. Everything is done. So friend, just now we replaced the bad screen. So now this is the FLYCDI screen we just installed. So this is the FLYCDI screen. See the brightness and everything. I just installed it. Okay, and this is the others brand screen. So I show you at first the brightness. Okay, this is the maximum brightness This is the FLYCDI, and this is the other brand. Okay, and so see, look, FLYCDI color, brightness, everything is very good. Okay, so look, wow, the FLYCDI, look, the brightness always same. Look like original, but others. Now I show you the brightness level. So now I show you the brightness level with a screen luminance meter. Okay, so let me show. This one is others screen. So it's around 385. Okay, so I move. Look, 385 or around 300 or 400. Okay, so now I check the FLYCDI. Okay, so wow, it's almost double. Okay, 789. And if I move the screen, look, so you hope you understand. Okay, I think the FLYCDI is the best. Okay, so now show the fixer. I show you the side view. So look at the screen, friends. This one is FLYCDI and others brand. So you can compare between two screen. Okay, so which one is the best? I always suggest you can use a FLYCDI screen. Okay, so I show you the side view. Let me show you the side view. When I rotate the FLYCDI screen, never change the color everything, and the other screens become dim and change the color. So now I zoom in the screen. Wow, look, FLYCDI. Wow, you can see it's clear, and color never change. You look, the others and color is very dim and unclear. Okay, and always FLYCDI color, everything is as good as original. Okay, I zoom in now. So you can compare which one is best. FLYCDI, wow. So friends, FLYCDI always provide best quality screen. I hope FLYCDI can meet your requirements. So see you in the next video. Bye.